tools and resources for your content marketing. There are many different aspects to content marketing. While it might sound simple, it's just writing for the most part after all, it is actually much more complex than that when it comes down to it. A good blog post needs to be well written, well edited and proofread, attractively arranged and then adorned with images. It then needs to be given the right SEO tweaks and the right tuning in order to look the part. This all takes time and practice, but the right tools can help you to get things up and running more quickly. Here then, we will look at a few of these different kinds of software and how they can help you in running your site. Word processing software. A good word processor can help you with your content marketing by correcting mistakes and through useful features such as word count, the ability to insert formatting, and more. Arguably, Microsoft Word is still the best, though OpenOffice provides a good free alternative. You'll be spending a lot of time here most likely, so make sure the tool is one you're happy to work with. Alternatively, use Google Drive with its built-in Google Docs, and that way you'll also benefit from the highly powerful addition of cloud sharing. This allows multiple people to edit a site together, which will make a big difference if you have lots of people collaborating. Grammarly. If you struggle with your writing, then a tool like Grammarly can help by making suggestions to fix and improve your grammar, spelling, and punctuation. The result is more readable and more SEO-friendly content. Paint and GIMP. For your photo editing and your image design, you will need a good piece of editing software such as these two. Paint is the most feature-rich photo editing design software out there, but GIMP can mimic a lot of what Paint does and is free of charge. If you are making logos or editing images to accompany articles, then it is worth learning just a little about using this software. Combine this with good photography skills, and you'll have an endless supply of images to add to your articles. Illustrator. For professional design, you want to use something that allows you to create vector files. These are images that don't lose quality, no matter how much you enlarge them, and that will allow you to edit them easily after the fact. FileZilla. FileZilla is a free piece of FTP software. In other words, it will act as a bridge between your computer and the server you bought with your hosting package. This then allows you to access all of the folders on your website and to delete them, rename them, replace them, edit them, etc., just as you would if they were on your computer. It's the fastest way to make edits to your site and the best way to keep all your files organized. There are many other FTPs out there that can do a similar job, but FileZilla gets a mention here for being completely free still and highly functional. Of course, you'll likely use WordPress as your main CMS, content management solution, but you'll want FileZilla when you accidentally damage your WordPress site or when you want to manually edit an image. It's good to have. Web stats. Getting some kind of stats regarding your website is crucial if you want to maximize your visitors and if you want to tailor your site to the audience that are actually going there. The best way to do this is with the free Google Analytics, which you access through your browser. Pay attention to your search queries and the specs location of your visitors, and it will help you to promote your site. Then use this to tweak and improve the content you're writing. Don't be ruled by SEO though. Video editing software. There are various types of video editing software out there, though for many of your needs, Windows Movie Maker will do fine. This is handy if you want to add videos to your site or use them as part of a marketing strategy, which I highly recommend you do. Canva. Another alternative type of content we've touched on is infographics. Canva is a great tool that will allow you to quickly build professional-looking infographics that people will be attracted to and that will share like wildfire. Scheduling. For scheduling posts that you have a steady stream of content coming in, Buffer and IFTTT are two of the best tools out there.